slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
Bike is fully torn down. Some parts in there, parts labeled in here. Time to make a list of what I need. And then after I get done with that, I'm going to start washing and cleaning all these parts that I have and figuring out what's serviceable and what's not. That's really bad. We're going to start this off by explaining what's behind me. I am currently in the process, and have been in the process for about 3 months or so, and taking what used to be a TTR 125 of mine. The frame is actually right down there, the blue frame. I'll show you all that later, but that was my bike. And then this frame was a frame that I bought from one of my best friends, and it is a KX100, and they stripped the motor out of it, and by the time I got a hold of it, the frame and everything else was been stripped down, but the motor was the main thing they just took off of it. Maybe lost a few bolts here and there. We're figuring that out. But so I got that. So huge monstrous engine in a small frame, which that's the big key. We had to cut out this whole underside right here, and then make custom tabs right here to basically just cradle the engine underneath. And now what I'm currently doing, which I have right here, I'm building these like little frames, drop frames, so it will stay right there and run right up the body. 1/4 inch square tubing that I picked up from, I think, Home Depot or Lowe's, one of the two. What we're gonna do is mock this front end, right? Might do a little bit of trimming to the front fender. Make sure you have enough room to get this cap off, which is right here. That's what the cap looks like. It's just to access your valves. So have just enough room to get that off, but I'll try to stay as close to the engine as possible. Then what's going to make to this is these and made it right there. And then the exhaust is going to wrap right in between them. I want it to be real nice and tight in there. That way I can maneuver it up and over the engine, get it looking nice and spazzy. Snazzy, spazzy, something like that. I gotta work on the other side though. Gotta finish up the other side, get it looking good. Use a TIG welder. I'm not good at TIG welding, so do not confess me, but I will take advice. I'll take advice, but do not make fun of me. I know you're gonna make fun of me, I really don't care. It's on YouTube.
Tell your doctor right away if you have more or worse symptoms, including trouble breathing, shortness of breath, cough, or chest pain.
So,
before taking Ibrance, tell your doctor if you have fever, chills, or other signs of infection, liver or other problems, are or plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low
on this side, we already have this lower piece on here. It broke off, but
diarrhea, hair thinning or loss, vomiting, rash, and loss of
what I'm gonna
appetite.
do is I'm gonna get this mocked
The
up
iHeart
where
Country
that's
Festival
gonna be.
presented by Capital One is coming back to Austin, Texas, and it's
Don't
going to be
like
huge.
how
With
far
performances from Luke
over
Bryan,
that
Sam
is.
Hunt, Elle King, Parker McCollum.
Yes,
Capital One
that'll work.
card holders get first access to tickets, plus the chance to add an access pass to attend a pre-concert
work.
event with Kane Brown. Tickets and access passes go on sale Tuesday, January
Wow, that was
24th
good.
for 48 hours only.
I don't mind that look
Head
at
to
all. That looks
iHeartRadio.com/Capital One to learn more.
real nice and tight up under there. Has some room for it. I like it. Alright. put the tire on here, and let me get it in view. So all I've done is put the tire on here, and so far got the tube in. And then I was like, yeah, I should probably video this. So here we are, and this is what I'll be struggling with for the next probably 30 minutes. So it's going on time lapse. So here we go. Alright, so what we have going on right here is we have the front wheel, right? So on the front wheel, we expected to cut the fender. I expected it, but I don't think the gap in between here is gonna be good enough. So this line right here is where I'm thinking about cutting it, and then I'm just gonna take this dimension tube right here, go up and brace it to there, and then do a cross brace at some point right in here, but get rid of this to bring the traction. But I'm about to 100% just collapse this front, see how far up it goes, and see what I got to do from there.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Watch out, the veil is staring. They've blocked out all our rights. If you ever came to save us, would we even let you try?
Picking apart what you got, ripping that thought in your heart. Yeah, cause you're dumb, dumb, dumb. Shaking, I'm nervous, you gone. Left was just writing a song, going bum, bum, bum. Where did you go? What do I do bad with girls? And I'm saying, give me some, God, are we through? Where did you go? Why you gotta run, run, run?
Maybe I'm the last one. Friends know I don't have some. It's okay, I mastered all the spells I cast them. Maybe I'm the last one. Friends know I don't have some. It's okay, I mastered all the spells I cast them.
Watch out, the veil is staring. They've blocked out all our rights. If you ever came to save us, would we even let you try?
Maybe I'm the last one. Friends know I don't have some. It's okay, I mastered all the spells I cast them. Maybe I'm the last one. Friends know I don't have some. It's okay, I mastered all the spells I cast them.